welcome to TheKays, and in today's video we're going to show you how to edit a 2-angle drum cover.
And today we're using an editing software called Filmora9 by Wondershare. So today we have 7 simple steps for you to edit a drum cover. So Filmora9 is designed for beginners, super easy to use, and it's free to try. So we're gonna show you where you can download the software before we start. So all you have to type, we have the link down in the description, all you have to do is click it. And here is their website. And as you see right on their homepage, there's a free download button, and just click it and it redirects to the download page and you have a installer downloaded. Now we already have the software installed, so we can just go ahead and open the editing software.
Yeah.
Yes. So step number 1 is to import your footage. And here you can see basically our project folder.
Okay, so step number 2 is to place your video files and your audio files into the editing software.
No, the first thing we're gonna do is drag the clip we're gonna sync the audio first with. So let's take the side angle.
Okay, so we can
So
do that.
since we're gonna have an intro in the start, we're gonna drag the clip a bit to the right. All you have to do is hold the left mouse button.
Yeah.
And then you can just drag it to the right. And now you see we have some space to the left. So when that is all done, now it's time to sync your video clips to your drum audio file. Now what you want to do is you want to sync up the audio file to your audio waveform from the clip.
Exactly.
Now you really have to listen to get this right. It's not that hard though. So now we zoom in to see exactly. We're gonna see if that works. Alright, so right now that they both are synced to the audio clip, is that we mute the sound from the video clips. So how to mute, all you have to do is right click your video clip and here you see mute. Let's do the same on the second one. Mute. So step number 4, and I think this one is important because it's time to color grade your clips. And the reason I have this step as number 4 is because you should do it before you cut all your clips, because then you save some time on adding the colors to all the other clips. And you can always make like a color preset and add it to all of them, but it still saves some work just to add on one clip.
Exactly.
Now let's continue to the color grading. Actually, let's take this. Oh, this is an epic angle. I really love it.
Yeah, we have not used it.
No. Color, a little bit saturation. Yeah. Alright, so we think that is good. We're gonna save as a preset, moving angle 1. Okay. Alright, so I'm done with the second clip. Hit OK. We don't need to save the preset because I haven't cut the clip yet.
Yeah. So number 5 is to edit your 2 drum angles. So tip here is to have one main camera, for example the moving camera, and you have the other angle as a still shot, for example from the side, like we have here.
Yeah.
So let's say on one of the angles the shot is very overexposed or very dark, for example, then you can always switch to the other angle and you don't have to worry about editing that part that's not good enough.
So what I usually like is to switch up the angle either right before a fill or right after the fill has ended. So we're gonna find a fill. Okay, so I'm gonna cut right before the fill begins. So like this. And then, for example, let's see where the fill ends. Okay, so for example, until here. Yeah, so you can do this however you like the most, and we usually have the moving camera as the main camera and then the side camera as the extra shot. So yeah, like that. And maybe we can make a cool intro as well. Hey.
Step number 6. When you come to this part, everything is basically almost done.
Yeah.
You have the drum angles all edited, color grading is done, you sync the audio files, and yeah, I think it's professional to have an intro and outro in your videos.
So in the intro you usually put your logo, or if you don't have that, you put a title of what the video is about.
Yeah, there's many different ways to make your intro and outros, and it's your preference. So this is actually one of the favorite things with Filmora, in my opinion. And we're gonna make an opener. Let's see. Yeah, an opener. And there are a bunch of nice ones here. Let's see what I like.
That one maybe?
This one?
Yeah.
So we can double click to download, and it's right there right now. So all we have to do is drag it before all the clip starts, before the video starts. And here you see we have the preview of the opener. Gonna zoom in a bit. Obviously you don't want it to say, hey there, your titles. So all you have to do is double click the opener in the timeline. Double click, and here you see our settings basically for the opener. But what we also can do is that we can edit right away by just double clicking the preview. You can edit the text right here. So we're gonna say drum cover, just for the tutorial. So now I want to change the text where it says hey there, so I'll go into advanced, and here we see a little timeline of the opener. And we just click hey there. Whoopsie doopsie. And now I have selected the text, so I'm gonna type TheKays presents. Okay. This is yes, TheKays. Okay, so now we're done with editing our opener. So now let's see how that looks like. Yes. Pretty nice. It has its own animation. And you know what? Just for fun, don't you just love cinematic horns? Or perhaps you want chickens?
Are they able to hear?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Step number 7. Now everything is done and it's time to export your video.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Thank you to Wondershare and Filmora9 for sponsoring this video. And we hope you enjoy. All the links are in the description. If you're interested, you can try it out for free. And we'll see you in the next video.
Yes.
Bye.
See you then. Bye bye. If you're looking for some cool audio, image, footage, and After Effects, you can go to Filmora9's online stock library, Film Stocks, to download the assets you want.